storm. Loren, you've been doing this for a few years. You've been watching these things. You even kind of study the history of this stuff. And this is all kind of part of the economic ebb and flow.
Yeah, with the economic ebb and flow, it does ebb and it does flow. And we've been through this before, and we're going to go through this again. If you think about your retirement time frame, you'll probably be retired, hopefully anyway, for 20 to 30 years. And over the course of your retirement, you are going to see many recessions. If we go all the way back to 1920, there have been 18 recessions, which means on average we go through recessions every 5 to 6 years. You've seen it many times before. You're going to see it many times again. Bear markets on average take place every 2 to 3 years. Market corrections on average every year. So this is not something we should be surprised about. This is something that can actually help you put yourself in a better position if you're prepared for it prior to going through this, meaning that you have a recession-resistant portfolio so your portfolio doesn't blow up when we go through these times, and you have actionable steps ready to go for when we go through these so you can put yourself in an even better position down the road. So it's nothing we should be surprised about. We should be poised and ready to take advantage of it when these times do come.
And what you guys sit down and do with families and individuals is talk about all of the options. So again, we've given you a lot of options today of things you can do to take control during this kind of a market. And one other thing that's maybe a little bit newer that, again, you're presenting people with as an option is looking into alternatives when maybe you're not getting what you want from the stock market.
Yeah, so this is a part of your investment plan. And this is what kind of asset classes do you incorporate within your overall investment strategy? The traditional diversification in your portfolio has been stocks and bonds. And people talk all the time, well, I'm about 60% stocks, 40% bonds, and that should get you through these bad times. But we have learned that is no longer the case. If we go back to the last Great Recession, which was 2008, the average 60-40 portfolio was down 26%. If we look at it during this recession, the average 60-40 portfolio is down about 26%. That's not what retirees are looking for from their portfolio.
That was not what we were going for.
And if you're 12 months away from retiring, that is not what you're looking for. So with investment technology continuing to develop, we no longer have to depend upon just stocks and bonds. There's a whole nother asset class out there called alternatives that you can incorporate within your plan. And alternatives can be a number of different things. It could be precious metals. It could be the fixed index annuity we talked about. It can be bank products. It can be commodities. There's a lot of different alternatives that you can incorporate. The key is that you have to have asset classes in your portfolio that when some asset classes go like this, others are like this. And when asset classes are like this, some have to stay like this to make sure that you can deliver the income that you need to deliver the lifestyle, the retirement lifestyle that you want, and to make sure that it's not going to disrupt the 40 years of hard work that it took to put yourself in the position you're in right now. Thank you for watching this clip of Retiring Today, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions about your retirement plan, take advantage of the complimentary 15-minute retirement checkup phone call.